All right, so I did a video earlier yesterday, and it was talking about the lawsuit with Snapchat with the biometric, um, where they didn't disclose to their users that they were using that feature. And then you know how it is once you find out information on something, you start to see that there's other uh, things that you can learn about. And if you So what I want to let you know is because you could have money coming to you and you don't even know it. Like maybe you moved, you disregarded the postcard because you know it. Sometimes those postcards will look like it's just junk mail. But so here, these are lawsuits. These are actual lawsuits that are going on right now. And so we have YouTube. They're in a lawsuit. We have restaurant chains. Um, it says that Microsoft can't free themselves from the biometric cases that because they use Microsoft's software uh, in the way that they wasn't supposed to or without disclosing it to their clients. And we just talked about Snapchat in the video that I made yesterday. Lawsuit filed against retail giants in Illinois. These are stores. ID Me finds itself in trouble in Illinois. Illinois is the jump off point on this. Judge to Amazon Ring, not so fast. Your patent application need a look see. The Ring doorbell, because Ring doorbell is actually using biometric in there. Uh, let's see here. This is Clearview's source code, not highly confidential. I guess Clearview AI is a uh, fighting to keep the source code. Well, this is just the source code for their technology. Uh, Here's one plaintiff in Amazon voice biometric. So data privacy suit pushback on dismissal. So they actually had it with the voice, and I guess it had gotten dismissed. Um, Compliance tips in advance of Carthon, Illinois Supreme Court, the biometric claim accrual rule. Not sure what that one's about. Angry TikTok biometric data privacy suit has an angry afterlife. Well, and then let's go back here. We got Google and Microsoft. What were some of the other ones that caught my attention? We got the Walmart. Let's go look at some of these here. Risk in Kenya. I'm not sure about that one, but that's in different countries. So these countries, when you make up this technology, you're going to try to use it all over the world. We got Match.com. They used it. Microsoft again. Insurance companies in Illinois got in trouble. Amazon. I think this one is just keeps working through the courts. See what else we got here. It look like these might be where they just updates on stories. Here's Meta, Facebook, obviously. MTech, MeTech. Let's see here. 7-Eleven, rail companies. Boy, let's see what we got here. And I'm just letting you know on this because you could be uh, in line to get a settlement and you don't even know it. So that's really the more important part of it, especially if you live in Illinois and if you use Facebook. Facebook finished earlier this year. They had over $400 million that they were paying out, to its Illinois users for using the feature without permission. But if this is going to start, it's like a domino. It's going to start going state to state because people are very wary of how their information is being used, your facial features being used. Is it being sold? No telling how they can be using this information. And so they want to make sure that people are aware of it and they want to be aware of the potential ways that it can be used. It's more than just that they're using it. what are the ways that you're using our features when you download them and sell them or whatever? How are you utilizing our facial features for what? That's the more important question. All right, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video what makes us different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your number 3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian report. And you can also grab my 3-pack of letters. Those are below. But also, before we go, make sure you like this video. Make sure you post your questions and comments and you subscribe to the channel if I haven't said that yet, and hit the notification bell. And regardless of when you see my notification come up for a video, I want you as my subscriber to go and check it out. And if it interests you, yes, that's good. But let me tell you the reason why. It's to help everybody. By you clicking on that video, it helps it go out to people that might have the issue that maybe you've gotten resolved from what we shown on the other videos on the channel. So it's more than just seeing the notice and then it's not what you're interested in. I need you to just go ahead and click it and just see the video, and then if it's not what you're interested in, leave from there, because it's very important. This is how the algorithm is written for us to be able to help more people. So thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.